Too often, we find ourselves facing a challenge that feels insurmountable, a situation where the numbers don't add up, where morale is low, and the future seems uncertain. For many of you, this challenge might be a struggling plant, a vital part of your business that's simply not living up to its potential. The good news is, every challenge presents an opportunity to reevaluate, to innovate, and to ultimately emerge stronger and more resilient. Turning around a struggling plant isn't about quick fixes. It's about understanding the why behind the struggle and addressing the root causes. In this video, we're going to embark on a journey together. We'll explore a step-by-step guide to not just fixing problems, but to transforming your plant into a thriving example of efficiency, productivity, and employee satisfaction. Every successful turnaround begins with a clear-eyed assessment of the current situation. This isn't about placing blame, but about gaining a deep understanding of the challenges and opportunities that exist within your plant. Begin by conducting a thorough plant audit. Analyze your financials, evaluate key performance indicators, and most importantly, gather input from your staff. Your employees are on the front lines every day. They possess invaluable insights into the plant's strengths and weaknesses. Remember, this assessment is about more than just numbers. It's about understanding the human element, the culture, and the overall environment within your plant. With a comprehensive assessment in hand, we can begin to identify the key issues that are holding your plant back. This requires a shift from addressing symptoms to uncovering root causes. Pinpoint bottlenecks in your processes, address quality and safety concerns, and honestly assess employee morale. Are maintenance problems leading to costly downtime? Is a lack of communication hindering collaboration and innovation? By digging deeper and asking the right questions, you can begin to paint a clear picture of the underlying issues that need to be addressed. Now that we understand the why behind the struggle, it's time to develop a clear and actionable turnaround plan. This plan should be more than just a document. It should be a roadmap that guides your every decision and action. Start by setting clear, measurable goals that are aligned with your overall business objectives. Prioritize key areas for improvement and focus on creating short-term wins that will build momentum and demonstrate progress. Remember, a successful turnaround plan is not set in stone. It should be a living document that evolves as you gather new information and adapt to changing circumstances. Optimizing operations for efficiency and quality. With a plan in place, we can now turn our attention to the heart of your plant, its operations. This is where we'll focus on implementing process improvements that will drive efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance quality. Explore lean manufacturing principles to streamline your production processes and eliminate non-value-added activities. Implement a robust preventative maintenance program to minimize downtime and extend the life of your equipment. By continuously seeking ways to optimize your operations, you can unlock hidden capacity, reduce costs, and improve the overall quality of your products or services. Finding value and eliminating waste. In any turnaround situation, controlling costs is paramount. But this doesn't always mean drastic cuts. It's about finding efficiencies, eliminating waste, and ensuring that every dollar is spent wisely. Look for opportunities to reduce material and energy consumption. Optimize your labor costs through cross-training, skills development, and process improvements that enhance productivity. Renegotiate supplier contracts to secure more favorable terms. Remember, cost control is not a one-time event. It requires ongoing vigilance, creative problem-solving, and a commitment to finding value in every aspect of your operations. Strengthening leadership and culture. While processes and systems are essential, we must never forget that behind every successful turnaround is a team of dedicated individuals. Strengthening your leadership and fostering a positive, engaged culture is not just important, it's essential. Improve communication channels to ensure that information flows freely throughout the plant. Empower your employees by involving them in problem-solving and decision-making processes. Invest in training and development programs to enhance their skills and create a culture of continuous learning. Remember, your employees are your greatest asset. By investing in their well-being and creating an environment where they feel valued, respected, and heard, you unlock their full potential and create a powerful force for positive change. Safety first, a non-negotiable foundation for success. A commitment to safety is not just a legal requirement. It's a moral imperative and a fundamental element of a successful plant turnaround. When employees feel safe and secure, they are more engaged, productive, and committed to their work. Conduct regular safety audits to identify and mitigate potential hazards. Invest in comprehensive safety programs that go beyond compliance and foster a culture of proactive risk management. Empower your employees to identify and report unsafe conditions without fear of reprisal. Remember, a safe work environment is not an expense, it's an investment. It's an investment in your people, your reputation, and the long-term sustainability of your operations. Monitoring progress and embracing change. Turning around a struggling plant is not a linear process. It requires constant monitoring, evaluation, and a willingness to adapt your strategies as needed. This is where data-driven decision-making and a flexible mindset become paramount. Track your progress against the key performance indicators you established in your turnaround plan. Hold regular review meetings with your team to discuss challenges, celebrate successes, and identify areas where adjustments are needed. Remember, the ability to adapt to changing circumstances, embrace new information, and make course corrections along the way is a hallmark of successful turnarounds. Engaging with customers and stakeholders. Throughout the turnaround process, it's crucial to maintain open lines of communication with your customers and stakeholders. Transparency, honesty, and a commitment to delivering on your promises are essential for rebuilding trust and confidence. Proactively address customer concerns, keep them informed of your progress, and seek their input on how you can better meet their needs. Regularly update senior leadership on the status of the turnaround, highlighting both the challenges and the successes. Remember, open and honest communication builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any successful long-term relationship. Making continuous improvement. Part of your DNA. Turning around a struggling plant is a significant accomplishment, but it's only the first step. The true challenge lies in sustaining the gains you've made and creating a culture of continuous improvement that ensures long-term success. Embed the principles of lean manufacturing, continuous improvement, and employee engagement into the fabric of your plant's culture. Celebrate successes, recognize and reward contributions, and empower your team to constantly seek ways to do things better, faster, and more efficiently. Remember, a turnaround is not an event, it's a journey. By embracing continuous improvement as a core value, you create an environment where excellence is not a destination, but a way of life. Outro, a future of success, the power of transformation. Turning around a struggling plant is a challenging but ultimately rewarding endeavor. It requires a clear vision, a commitment to action, and a belief in the power of transformation. By following these steps, you can guide your plant and your team on a journey from struggle to success. Remember, the most important factor in any turnaround is not the plan itself, but the people responsible for executing it. By investing in your employees, fostering a culture of trust and collaboration, and empowering them to be agents of change, you unlock the true potential within your plant. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards, a more efficient operation, a more engaged workforce, and a brighter future for your plant, are well worth the effort.